Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Martia Puspitasari. I am from English Education 6B class in University of Muhammadiyah Kota Bumi. In this occasion, I want to make a learning video about procedure text as the task of micro-teaching subject. As we know that in our daily life, of course, we ever make something such as cooking or doing something, but sometimes we don't know the way how to make it or do it. That's why we need a process sequentially, or we usually call it with procedure. In English, procedure text is a genre of writing. Procedure text itself is the text that explains about how to make or do something sequentially or step by step. The purpose of procedure text itself is to give a clue about the way to do something through acts or steps sequentially. In procedure text, there are three generic structures. The first is aim or goal. The goal of procedure text usually is a title or description about what will we make or do. The second is material. Content of material is about ingredients and tool to fix procedure text itself. However, not all of procedure text needs materials. Okay, there are three kinds of procedure text that doesn't need material. The first is procedure text about how to do an instruction manually or how something can work. For example, how to use television, how to use handphone, how to use rice cooker, etc. And the second is procedure text that explain about the rules of how to do certain activities. For example, video games rules, flight safety rules, etc. The third is procedure text that teach human about life or something that connects with characteristic or human's habit. The example of these kinds, it's like how to be happy, how to be useful for someone, etc. So those three the kinds of procedure text that doesn't need materials. And the last generic structure of procedure text is step. In the step, content of step which have to do sequentially. And by step itself, the goal of procedure text can be reached. Okay, next we are going to learn about the characteristic of procedure text. Okay, there are 5 characteristics of procedure text. The first is use imperative sentence. For example, cut the banana into pieces, or don't mix the coconut milk into water, etc. And then the second is use action verb. For example, mix, crack, cut, hit, etc. And then the third is use sequence adverb. For example, first, second, next, then, finally, etc. The fourth is use adverbials to state the time or place. The example, it's like boil the water for 15 minutes or crack the egg into the bowl, etc. And then the fifth is use simple present tense. Then I will give you the example of procedure text. The first is how to make healthy juice. This is the example of procedure text that need materials. How to make healthy juice as the aim or goals of procedure text, and ingredients as the material, and then the how to make as the step. And this is the example of procedure text that doesn't need the materials. For example, how to use Google text to speech, where how to use Google text to speech is the title or the goal of procedure text, and those are the step of how to use Google text to speech. Okay, those two is the example of procedure text. Okay, those all my explanation about procedure text. Have you enjoyed this, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.